Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's grow together. Now let's continue our unilateral talk over how to develop a stronger will. In my previous video, I gave you 7 rules to do so and we discussed one of them too. That is break off bad habits. Now let's continue with the remaining ones. Second one, forming good habits. Now you have broken your bad habits. The increased strength which you have gained by breaking off these bad habits will help you in initiating the good habits. याद रखना, स्टार्ट करना सबसे मुश्किल होता है और हमने अपनी बुरी आदतों को छोड़ के पहला स्टेप ऑलरेडी ले लिया है. नाउ एवरीथिंग विल बी क्वाइट सिंपल. To break a bad habit, a man must be mentally active and energetic and must keep a constant watch over himself. There are few steps that may help you in the process. Identify the habit, make a decision, and then the commitment to change. A conscious commitment is what we need to set a wheel of motion in action. Discover your triggers and obstacles. Devise a plan. Benjamin Franklin had a great plan for developing good habits, as he listed 13 virtues that he felt were important in his life and then proceeded to work on them. He focused on one virtue per week for the time period of 13 weeks. By the end of each week, he felt as if he had mastered the bad habit. So, he proceeded for the next one in the following week. The virtues which Benjamin Franklin incorporated in his life were temperance, silence, order, resolution, frugality, industry, sincerity, justice, moderation, cleanliness, tranquility, chastity, and humility. Employ visualizations and affirmations. Imaginations का use करो. Enlist support from family and friends. Last, reward yourself. As man succeeds in perfecting himself in the second rule, it will not be very difficult for him to get success for the third one, that of giving scrupulous attention to the duty of present moment. Thoroughness is the step in the development of will which cannot be passed over. मेरे से किसी ने कहा था कि अगर झाड़ू भी लगाओ ऐसे लगाओ कि तुम्हारे जैसे कोई ना लगा पाए. मतलब whatever you do, it should be done perfectly. The fourth one, that of doing vigorously and at once whatever has to be done, is equally important. Idleness and strong will cannot go together, and procrastination is the acquisition to the development of stronger and purposeful will. Nothing should be put off till another time. Another time kya? Not even for a single minute. What has to be done now should be done now. Because कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगो कब. The man who is to manifest a cultivated will must live according to rules. One should live according to principles and not according to passion. Everyone should decide what he will eat, drink, and wear, and at what time. We should make rule for the right government of our conduct in every department of life and should religiously adhere to them. The sixth rule, control your tongue, must be religiously and vigorously followed until one has perfect command of his speech, so that he utters nothing in peevishness, anger, irritability or with evil intent. सब कहते हैं कि बोलने से पहले 100 बार सोचना चाहिए, पर बोलते टाइम क्या याद रहता है कि 100 बार सोचना भी था. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, कि जो आप दूसरे से बोलने वाले हो, अगर वही बात आपसे किसी ने कही तो आप पर क्या इफेक्ट होगा. देन यू अटर. मैन ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग विल does not allow his tongue to run thoughtlessly and without check. All these 6 rules, if faithfully practiced, will lead to the 7th one, the most important one, namely controlling your mind. And this can be done by bringing all the 6 rules into requisition in all ways and undertaking will learn by his own experience and efforts. आज के लिए इतना ज्ञान काफी है. So till my next video, keep learning, keep walking and keep growing. Bye bye.